to stretch your arms. Okay? So, ano ba? We're going to try two different power poses together. The first pose is what I like to call a superhero stance. Ano ba ginagawa sa superhero stance? So I want you to stand with your feet slightly wider than the hip. Okay? Then the hip width apart. Ito. Right? I can still somebody na medyo matigit. Please make use of the vacant spaces inside this car. Alright? So, when you have already your feet slightly wider than the hip width apart, I want you to plant your hands on your hips. Okay? Put your hands on your hips. Okay? Good. And push your chest out. Okay. Push your chest out and hold your head high and gaze forward. Alright, so imagine yourself as a confident superhero. Sino kaya superhero ang nasa isip niyo? So I want you to hold it, that pose, and for about 1 minute or 2. So while you're holding that pose, I want you to close your eyes. Everybody, close your eyes and focus on breathing deeply. And imagine yourself that you are feeling strong and in control in every situation. So that is our first pose, the superhero stance. Next pose is, you have to move to the second pose. So this pose is what we call a victory pose. So I want you to extend your arms overhead in a V shape as if you're a person we're about to win a running race. A race, marathon race. So I want you to hold this for 1 minute and also at the same time continue holding your breath deeply. So after we finish this pose, these two poses, I'd love for each one of you to share how you felt during the exercise. I want you to share, did you feel powerful, confident, and even a bit excited? So, right? Let's get started. Remember that this activity is more than just fun, and it is based on the idea that our body language can influence our emotions and perceptions. We're not done yet. Alright. Instruction pa lang po yan. Sige. So let's get started with our first pose. I want you to do the superhero stance. So what I have told you earlier, you have to close your eyes, put your hands on the hips, move your chest out, gaze forward. Imagine yourself like a superhero. Imagine yourself that you are feeling strong, confident. Take a deep breath. You have to do this for a minute. Again, take a deep breath. I want us to start this day like a blank slate. Tanggalin niyo yung mga worries na naiiwan niyo sa mga opisina. So we are here. Blank slate. find worry-free people. Alright. So the next pose is what we call a victory pose. So in 3, 2, 1, do the victory pose. In a V shape. And I want you to do the same facial expression like this one. And as if you won lottery. I won a lottery. 50 million. And gusto ko, isigaw ninyo, mas malakas na malakas. Alright, palapakan natin yung mga. So at this point, everybody, please remain standing as is always in the